Welcome to our channel. If you want to access your PNC Bank account online to manage your finances, follow these step-by-step instructions for a secure login process. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the PNC Bank official website at pnc.com. Step 2. Click the Sign In button located in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Enter your user ID in the designated field. If you have not registered for online banking, click Enroll to create your credentials. Step 4. Click Continue and then enter your password in the Secure Password field. Step 5. Complete any additional security verification, which may include answering security questions or entering a code sent to your registered device. Step 6. Click Sign In to access your account dashboard where you can view all your PNC accounts and their current balances. Step 7. Navigate through various features including viewing transactions, transferring funds between accounts, paying bills, and managing account settings. Step 8. To enhance security, consider setting up two-factor authentication through your account settings. Always log out when you finish your banking session, especially when using public or shared computers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.